So this is it. If maybe you want to put this cycle blade on this play hair trimmer, this blade is really good, but you need to know how to zero gap it good. Then you have the best of it. Okay. If you feel like maybe this one is too small and you want to put cycle blade on it, you need to go to ECM on Instagram and order your mod kits, you know. So I'm gonna show you how to make it, and all you need is to unscrew these two screws here. You know, just take everything out. Okay, is that? Put it by the side, and then for the cycle blade, you need to unscrew this one, the bracket, and take it out. So, but this tension spring you will need. So you need to put it right here. So. So now, all you need is just this mod. Okay. Tension spring. Put it here. See that? Just put it right there. And put it right here also. Wait a moment. It's already in. Okay. When it's in there, then press it. Then you will see the hole. When you see the hole, then you screw. So you see this screw? You don't need this one, but you need it later if you want. You need a bigger head screw. Okay, this one is big, and this one not. Okay, but you need a bigger head. Okay, see that? No gap here, which is good. So either you use these screws, here, or you use the original one that comes with this head trim. So that's how you put a cycle blade on TPOB plate trim. Okay, so peace, man. All right.